Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle that's been turned into a monster street car with a big King of the Hill 572 crate motor. Look at this thing, 9.4 liter aluminum headers, power disc brakes, power steering, chrome water pump, the aluminum high-rise intake, the aluminum heads, just a beautiful car, upgrade with the aluminum radiator. Just a beast, guys. If you're looking for that horsepower, this is it. Just go ahead and Google crate 572 engine. It'll tell you everything about it. Excellent paint on the car. Just really slick. As you can see, the torque thrust wheels sitting on this body, on this A body. I mean, it's a beautiful stance on the car. Sits very well. You got that nice fiberglass Cowl induction hood on it. Just a super clean car. Dual exhaust, sounds amazing. I will start it up. It's got the 572 emblem right there on the fender as well. So very proud of this car. Nice chrome trim, glass, all the rubber around the car, just in very good condition, as you can see here. I'm definitely going to start the car for you guys. It's got a turbo hydromatic 400 trans in it. Just does everything you want it to do on the street plus more. Again, Google these motors, these 572 motors, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's got the LED front headlights on it. The car starts right up, guys. Here, check it out. Door lips are nice and clean. Panels are brand new. Bucket seats are excellent condition. Center console with the carbon fiber add on the top there, and that cheetah shifter. Black floor mats. Starts right up. Different gauges, upgraded radio. What do you think? Yeah, that's just a reflection off my floor. That's how nice the paint is on the car, guys. There you have it. Black 572 big block, turbo 400 behind it, big rear end in the back. You guys can read about that. Go through my description, read about that. Go through the photos at MGMClassicCars.com. Guys, we don't come across these muscle cars like this with this type of horsepower, built for the street. Not for the racetrack, built for the street. I mean, if you want to drive this thing to the racetrack and just do a quarter-mile blast or an eighth mile, be my guest. You're going to have a blast in this car. So yeah, if you need financing, we have long-term low payments available at MGM Classic Cars. You can find the application on our website under the finance tab. You will need about 10% down. Good score, obviously. So check that out there, guys. Long-term low payments. You will need 10% down. And for delivery, guys, call or text. I'd rather you guys give me a text. I'll get back to you quicker. Grab a pen. I will leave my phone number with you guys there. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You got to see what's coming out tomorrow at MGM Classic Cars. I got something really cool tomorrow. A sneak peek. You'll check that out. Or maybe behind these drapes here, guys. Yeah. Anyway, check us out, guys. MGMClassicCars.com on all social media. Share it, like it to your friends. If you got that pen handy, my number's 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching at MGM. My name's Thomas. Talk soon. Bye-bye.